Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the PS I Love You kit from 𝕀𝕜 Nails. This kit comes with 6 different colors. It actually retails for $59.99 if you just want the powder only and $89.99 if you want the powder and the kit, but they're both on sale for 47% off. So if you just want the powder, it is $35.99, and if you want it with everything in it, it comes to $46.99. So it's a great deal. I love the colors. I love pink, and there's a whole bunch of pinks in here, so I'm in love from the start. So in this kit, you get 4 pinks and 2 reds. The reds, one is a solid and one is more of a glitter. And then of the pinks, you get 2 shimmers and you get 2 chunky glitters. So for this set, I'm going to use Sticky Date, Fingers Crossed, and Pink Winks. And I already know what I'm going to use for my next one. It's going to be Wild One and Chanel Rouge. And I am so excited. So I went ahead and did my right side off of camera, and I'm going to do my left side on camera. So I just went ahead and capped them in clear off of camera, and now I'm going to go in and do my finished filing, and this is the finished look. I'm going to add a matte top coat and a shiny top coat to some of the nails, just because sometimes I like the little mix and match, and sometimes I like matte more than shiny. So this is what they came out looking like. I love them. I love pink, so I love them. Oh my goodness, the pinks. Love, love, love. I really did enjoy using this kit because I love these colors. Well, technically I love all their colors. Like, the powders go on nice and I love it. So once again, I use Fingers Crossed, which is 612. I use Sticky Date, which is 1366. And I also use Pink Winks, which is 662. And once again, all of these colors are a part of the PS I Love You kit. So you will get the 3 that I just mentioned, and you will get Chanel Rouge, which is 686. You will also get Wild One, which is 1328. And Pretty Petals, which is 1342. I love that they include 6 colors in a kit. I think that is really, really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be back soon with another one.